Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today we're taking a look at the Atvel F16 Ultimate, a wet and dry vacuum cleaner with a few extra nifty features. So let's unbox the vacuum and check it out. This is the Atvel F16 Ultimate Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum incorporates the best of both wet and dry vacuuming, which is harmonious to our Jhadu Poncha style cleaning. First off, in the box we have a manual, a 680 ml clean water container. We get a handle which has the control buttons. The buttons on the handle are on off and Eco Max mode selection. We can find the Atvel logo here. A hex wrench is also included. Have to check the manual what it's for. Charging base, power adapter, battery which has a capacity of 4000 mAh. It's great that it's removable, making it replaceable too. Cleaning brush, another cleaning brush, and this is for the wastewater tank. Here's the vacuum body, looks really nice and grey with the red accents. Ultimate is marked on the side as this is the Ultimate model. Here's where you would insert the clean water container. This is the wastewater container which has a capacity of 450 ml. And this is where the battery goes. Align and slide it in. Done. This is how we install the clean water container. Align and slide in. Now for the control handle. Make sure of the orientation and slide it in. As easy as that. Now we can control all the functions of the vacuum using the handle. Twisting the handle also allows maneuvering the vacuum left and right. We have a roller brush under here which is protected by this cover. This cover also protects you from being splashed. The brush can be removed for cleaning using this button here. Under the vacuum we can find the UV LEDs. It generally won't light up when not on the floor. UV light is not safe to be exposed to, so I'm doing this for illustration purposes only. Don't do this at home. This sensor here, when blocked, which happens when the vacuum is on the floor, the UV lamp lights up, killing any microorganisms as we vacuum. In front we have the wastewater tank which stores the vacuum debris within two. Push the button to eject the tank. And we have a filter here, and this top can be removed to empty it. We can find a HEPA 12 class filter on the cover which would filter out dust and allergens as air flows through it. The HEPA filter can be washed to keep it clean and achieve maximum purification. To install the wastewater tank back, just place it back and it snaps in place. Using the vacuum is quite easy. Power on the device and we need to tilt it back a little, for which you need to use your feet. Tap on the power button to start cleaning. The vacuum has a lightweight cordless body and is self-propelled. I have only two fingers holding up the vacuum by the handle. The roller brush automatically pulls it forward. All control buttons are located on the handle. Power, switching modes. This display here shows the current battery level, its runtime, cleaning mode, etc. It would also show any status messages like waste bin full, out of water, self-cleaning, etc. The vacuum is easy to maneuver and can be turned by twisting the handle. It can go under sofas to a limit. This is as low as it can go. We can switch between Eco and Max modes using the button on the handle. Max mode will use the battery faster and the estimated runtime is 41 minutes. The vacuum is powerful enough to pick up debris in one pass, making cleaning easier and faster. Eco is designed for cleaning smooth surfaces like laminates, tiles and parquet. Max is suitable for severe contaminations and cleaning carpets. The vacuum can be used on carpets, tile floors. It also manages to reach the corners due to its design. Let's test how it works with different spills. Here's some moong dal. The vacuum has no problems whatsoever picking this up. Next we have tea powder, and this too was no problem at all. Let's fill the clean water tank with water before we start wet vacuuming. Install the tank back and we are ready. Let's try cleaning up some ketchup. We picked it up with no problems at all. And here's some curry. Not having to switch between multiple devices for dry and wet spills is a boon. No streaking, the floor is spotless. The vacuum would suck up the dry dust and the roller would pick up the wet spills both at the same time. There's a spray trigger on the bottom. Hold it for 8 seconds before spraying to prime the solution. Pull on the trigger to spray a bit of water onto the floor as per your requirement. The soft polymer bristles effectively collects full hair dust without leaving a single scratch. Due to the supply of clean water and fast rotation, the vacuum cleaner removes any, even dried on dirt from the floor. Dirty water is not smeared on the floor but is squeezed out from the back of the roller and it enters the waste container. The vacuum cleaner has a smart water supply to the roller in order to prevent puddle formation on the floor. Due to the HEPA filter, the dust in the air also gets purified as we keep using the vacuum. This is the charging base. It has rubber feet on the bottom to not allow the base to slide around. We have a roller drying fan which is controlled via the button here. No need to remove the brush to dry it. We have the barrel power port here. Connect the power adapter to this port and we just need to place the vacuum onto the base to charge it. This is how the vacuum would dock onto the charger. The charging station does not take up much space and allows you to neatly place the vacuum cleaner anywhere in the house. Push this button on the vacuum to initiate self-cleaning. In 1 minute, the vacuum cleaner will drive clean water through the nozzles and also clean the module from hair and dirt stuck onto the roller. The button on the dock runs a fan to dry out the roller brush. Now the roller does not need to be removed after self-cleaning and dried separately from the vacuum cleaner. It will be dried automatically on the base. The vacuum looks nice and kind of complements the interiors, not needing it to be tucked away in a corner. The HEPA and UV sterilization adds another layer of protection for our family against allergens, dust and bacteria. Being cordless, the vacuum can be carried around to use almost anywhere. It doesn't need to be locked down to areas which have a power plug. The vacuum is easy to take apart and clean, and the brushes provided are also helpful in cleaning. So that was the Atvel F16 Ultimate Cordless Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Being a wet and dry cordless vacuum, it is pretty good. It is lightweight enough, it's something like 4.7 kilos, it can be carried around easily and it's easily maneuverable. The battery runs around 46 minutes in eco mode and 41 minutes in max mode. It's pretty decent. This vacuum is mostly for floor cleaning only, for your chadu poncha kind of style vacuuming, and it won't help you clean your tables or your counters. What do you guys think about it? Make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all later.